Okay, I'm walking to the backyard. I heard them screaming. It sounded like there were 100 of them. And there are 10 of them in my backyard, and they were just screaming like banshees a few minutes ago. Here they go. Oh, no, those ones you hear now are from a distance. I'm walking to the group of 10 in my backyard. Hopefully I don't scare them away. Let's see, I'm getting closer and closer. Come on, guys, you were just screaming a minute ago. Okay, I'm getting closer. Closer and closer. They're out here by the bird feeders, but they're just hanging out. Okay, oop, now they're fighting. Oh, there they are. I am about, I don't know, 8 foot from them. I'm getting closer. Nope. I don't want them all in the view here. Okay, guys, what are you doing? How come you're all screaming? What you doing, guys? I feel like I live at a zoo here. Where you going? Come on. I feel like Dr. Dolittle. Hey, guys. You were just screaming. Now you're quiet? I come out here with the camera and now you're quiet? Huh? You quiet? There they are. 10 of them, I think. And they purr. You hear? I don't know if you can hear them, but they purr like cats. You guys are purring? I hear you purring. Okay, you're not going to sing now that I have the camera out here? Okay, now you're walking away. Oh, there they go. There they go. How would you like to be woken up to that every morning? There we are. Okay. Sandy Zoo. Now they're walking away, talking. Okay, guys. See you later for your afternoon snack. Bye.